Imagine yourself in this 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include differential, heavy-duty locking rear, 4-wheel drive, alternator, 145 amps, suspension, front coilover shock with stabilizer bar, suspension, rear multi-link with coil springs, steering, power, brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock, 4-wheel disc, key, single, 2-sided, fascia, front color keyed and fascia, rear color keyed. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.